Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to my channel. Okay, my name is Thompson. Now today I just want to make this brief video to show you guys how you can actually create unlimited Gmail accounts. Okay, I know there are a whole lot of videos that shows you how to actually generate unlimited Gmail account, but some of them don't actually work because myself, before I got to know about this particular strategy, I've watched a whole lot of video before I got to know how to actually do this. So I'm going to show you how you can generate Gmail email addresses. Okay, no matter the numbers that you want, you can generate it if you follow the process I'm going to show you step by step. Okay, so now without wasting much of your time, let me go straight to the video. But first I must say this: if you want this strategy to actually work for you, you need to download the Google app on your phone, right? The YouTube app on your phone. Because if you are going to do it from the browser, it will not work, right? If you're going to do it directly, like from the browser, you go to Chrome and you access YouTube directly from the Chrome, it's not going to work. Okay, and mind you, we are actually doing this on the phone, on the mobile, because when you use the desktop, okay, or the browser, it will not work. You just have to download the YouTube icon, okay, this on your phone. Okay, then after downloading the icon on your phone, you log in into your YouTube channel, because we are going to this trick is for us, we are going to do it through our YouTube channel. Okay, so what we'll do next, we'll go to our profile. You click on your profile, right? So let me show you. You click on this, your profile up here. You click on it, it will bring you to this interface. So when you're on this interface, what you do next is you click on this add accounts. Are you with me? You click on this add account. Okay, so when you click on this add accounts, it's going to load. It's going to load. Okay, it's asking me for my phone password. I'm just going to put my phone password. Okay, so it's going to load. After loading, it's going to ask you to sign in. But remember, we are not signing in. We are actually trying to create a Gmail account, right? We are trying to create a Gmail account. So we are not going to sign. What we do, we come down here and we'll click on create account. We click on create accounts. Now you choose your name. We're going to use any random name. Just use any random name. Okay, let's just do this. Use any random name. You can decide to use your name. Okay, you can also decide to use your name actually, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just using a random name. Then we'll click on next. Okay, so when you click on next, you'll be prompted to choose your date of birth. So I'm just going to choose a date of birth, 1985. It's a random date of birth actually. Then you choose your gender. I choose male, right? Then you click on next. Now when you click on next, you can see it's giving us option of different Gmail addresses that you can choose from. Okay, so let me just choose one. Okay, I'll choose the first one. Okay, or you can decide to create your own, right? You can decide to create your own. Okay, you can decide to create your own Gmail accounts, whichever one you want. You can choose any name that you want to use, you want to choose on, right? You can choose whatever you want to choose on. But you can see it also gave us option to choose either of the two, or you create your own. Okay, so go next. It's prompting us to choose a password, right? Then let's just choose a random password. Then we click on next. So after clicking on next, you can see that it's asking us for our phone number. It's saying we should add phone number, but you know that we're trying to beat that idea of we not giving our phone number. So what we're going to do is this: we're just going to scroll up. Okay, you scroll up, then you come down here, you see where it says skip. So what does that mean? We are going to skip this idea of giving our phone number now. So we're just going to click on skip. When you click on skip, You can see this is our Gmail address. This is our Gmail address, right? So you have a Gmail address already. So what you do next is, okay guys, before we go further, if you are actually getting value from this video, I want to implore you to please subscribe to the channel and click on the notification button. So when next I post another video, you get to see it, okay? So what we'll do next is this, we'll click on next, right? You can see that we've generated our email address, okay? So that is how to do it. So you can do this uncountable numbers of time, okay? But for the sake of keeping it proper, I will ask you to just do like 2, 3, 4, 5 or 10 in a day, right? But basically that is how you can actually create unlimited Gmail accounts, okay? Like I rightly said earlier, I will appreciate if you could actually click on the subscription button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification button also. And I look forward putting out valuable videos like this subsequently. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.